the cardan axles to my little drive shaft. I hope it will be strong enough, but the vehicle is not that heavy. I made dust protection for the front here. Well, I got the dust protection in place, and I used this self-drilling screws so I can remove it if I have to. Well, I'm gonna put a plate here, and it's out of wood. It's plywood, and I'm gonna paint it black, and then I'm gonna fit my seating on top here, and then I will try to make a plate with a rubber backside so I don't get in contact with these fittings here for the controller. And there you can see the DC converter and the plate I set to protect the wires. Well, I've done it like this. I put this isolation sheet here so I protect the wiring, and also if I drive in the winter it won't get that cold. And I also put this tightening seal here. It's a self-sticking rubber, I don't know what the name is. And here is the auxiliary battery, and I did the same here. Put some isolation so I can also push it in place. And this is my seating. I cut the end of it because it was a bit too narrow. It wasn't that comfortable. So I will just put this on top of the batteries, and then it's almost finished. It is this, I have to make some protection for the controller. Well, it's raining outside, so I don't want to take it outside. But I've been trying to run back and forth here, and I think the gearing is wrong. There's a lot of sound also. Shuts off. Very strange. Or I must check the setting on the color controls, because it runs better forward. There. Something wrong. But I have a feeling the gearing is wrong. I can change the sprocket on the motor down from 15 to 13. Then I don't think it will work that well. It's more problem if I had to change the gearing on the big sprocket on the cardan axles. Well, nobody said things were supposed to be easy. Well, I will connect my tablet to the color control and check the settings. Here I can see all the settings. Max forward speed and max reverse speed is 100%. Strange. Battery current limit is 50%. Well, I'll change that one. Change it to 80%. And I will also change direction because my switch there was the wrong way. Change direction, and then I press right here. Data write completely. Oh, okay. Then I do the read again. Settings of 80% and change direction. No, I will also put in this foot switch because I use that one in my pedal. Yes. Right. Okay. Read. Acceleration time. Here I can see the readings. 99 volts. You can see if the foot switch works. I have to turn it off, yes. So the readings are setting, I have to turn the controller on and off. Put it on again. Disconnect. Connect. Yes. Connected. Read. Yeah. Change direction and forward switch. Oh, no, it's reverse now because I changed direction. See if it works with the foot switch. Yeah, now the foot switch is working. Forward. Yeah. I must, yes, see if I can make some more testrun. Okay, now I increase the battery current limit to 80% instead of 50%. So see if there is any difference in performance. Backward. No. No, I'm not happy with this. It's, I think that it runs too heavy. It's too heavy load from the beginning. I must change the gearing. I'm afraid it's a lot. I calculated, and if I change the sprocket on motor, it's about 16%. It makes the gearing shift with 16%. I don't think that's enough. Well, too bad. Well, that was a bit of a setback, this mistake I made in this gearing. And also bear in mind that I welded this cardan axle with these flanges. And I have to find a way to take that apart, because I don't think it's enough if I only change this small bearing, small sprocket on the the motor, so I probably have to change the big sprocket also, but that's the way of life. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, even though there's a little setback, but I think I will tear this apart and change the gearing, and then I get back with a proper test drive outside when it's not raining and with the correct gearing. So until then, goodbye. See you in the next movie.